the light so you can see it? How'd that go?
No, I'm recording. It's video recording. Go, Matthew, go! What are you gonna hold it? Hold on. Wait, hold on. I got it. Matthew, bring down the head. Bring down your head.
Yeah, lower the camera.
Lower the camera. Lower the... Yeah. Go get... Go get the Roomba. Yeah, go get the Roomba. It's humping my cables.
We have to put this on YouTube, the rodeo with the killer cord.
You need to like put them in an open area so they're not like, oh yeah, hiccups again.
They just unplugged the cable.
Finish him.
Go, Matthew, go! Get him! Go, Matthew, go!
I think Matthew's high-centered.
Yeah, that Roomba pushed out.
Go, Matthew, go!
He's like, ah! Other way.
Other way.
Don't stab Misty.
Other way.
Great, now we're gonna have like...
To your other way. There you go.
Keep going, right there. Yeah.
Go straight.